In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rows function and columns function in Excel with index formula. First, open the workbook where you want to use the index, rows, and columns functions. Once the file is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through C5. The formula will pull values from that table and return them into a separate output area. Next, set up the place where the results will begin. Click on cell E2. This will be the first output cell, and it's where the formula will start. Choosing a separate output area like this helps keep your source data untouched while letting you recreate the table somewhere else in the worksheet. Now enter the formula in cell E2. Type equals sign, then index, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, enter the source range as $A2 colon $C5. Then type a comma. Next, enter rows, followed by an opening parenthesis, then $E2 colon E2, and close that parenthesis. Type another comma, and then enter columns, followed by an opening parenthesis, $E2 colon E2, and close the parenthesis. Finally, close the index formula and press enter. The full formula returns values from the selected range based on row and column positions. If your data range is different, replace A2 C5 with the range you want to use. And if you want your output to begin somewhere else, replace E2 with your preferred starting cell. This makes the formula flexible and easy to adapt to other worksheets. After pressing enter, select cell E2 again so you can copy the formula. Drag the fill handle across to G2. This fills the formula horizontally across the first row of the output area. Then select the filled cells and drag them down to G5. Excel will now return all the values from the source table into the output range. What makes this work is the way rows and columns update automatically as the formula is copied. Rows increases the row number as you move downward, while columns increases the column number as you move across. Index uses those changing numbers to retrieve each value from the original range one cell at a time. Once you've filled the formula across and down, your output area will display the values from the source table. And that's it.